From our New Mexico mobile newsroom today, first responders described what they saw when they arrived at a Las Cruces home where a 2-year-old girl was found dead. Lalo Castrillo is charged with child abuse resulting in death. He's accused of killing Fabiola Rodriguez in 2018 while her mom was away. He was the boyfriend of her mother at the time. ABC 7's Ilobo Tiziro reports.
It is a trial more than 4 years in the making. Fabiola Rodriguez, just 2 years old back in 2018, died while in the care of her mom's boyfriend. The defendant, Lalo Castrillo, now faces life in prison if convicted of felony child abuse resulting in her death. The start of the trial hasn't been without drama.
Just 48 hours in, there have already been 3 requests by the prosecution to declare a mistrial, all having to do with jurors.
All requests denied by the judge, giving way to this testimony from firefighters who were first on scene the day baby Favi died. They described walking into the apartment and finding the baby face up, not breathing and not responding. They helped get her to the hospital where she was declared dead. Detective Amador Martinez was on call the night baby Favi died. He told the court that he saw bruises on her body that weren't consistent with medical intervention.
Bruising on both sides of her rib cage, a large one on her leg, just seemed odd to me.
The prosecution then asked at length about CPR, how it was administered on baby Favi. They also played the 911 call in the courtroom, in which the defendant mentions that baby Favi had vomited and there's discussion of possible choking. The case ultimately comes down to whether the jury believes Castrillo harmed the baby or if she died of some other cause.
Reporting with our New Mexico mobile newsroom, I'm Ilobo Tiziro, ABC 7.